Have you ever considered the incredible journeys that unfold beneath the surface of the sparkling Nordic seas, right off the coasts of Norway, Sweden, and Denmark? The life cycle of a Nordic mackerel is a truly captivating odyssey that spans several years, transforming these sleek, swift swimmers from microscopic eggs into powerful, ocean-roaming adults, all choreographed by the changing seasons and the fundamental drive to find food and reproduce. Understanding this cycle is key because it reveals how these vital fish contribute to the marine ecosystem and why their populations are so sensitive to environmental shifts. It all begins with reproduction. Nordic mackerel are pelagic spawners, meaning they releases their eggs and sperm into the open water. This typically occurs in late spring and early summer in specific areas like the North Sea and the waters west of Norway, when the water temperature and food availability are just right. A female mackerel can release hundreds of thousands of tiny, buoyant eggs that drift freely with the ocean currents. These delicate eggs hatch within a few days into equally tiny larvae, which are almost entirely transparent. For their first few weeks, these larvae are entirely dependent on vast quantities of zooplankton for survival, navigating the currents as they grow. As they mature into juvenile mackerel, they begin to develop their distinctive striped patterns and gather in large schools, often closer to the coast or in shallower feeding grounds. This schooling behavior offers protection from predators like larger fish and seabirds. The most remarkable phase is the adult migration. Once they reach maturity, usually around 3 to 4 years of age, Nordic mackerel embark on extensive annual migrations. They travel thousands of kilometers from their wintering grounds in the open ocean to their rich summer feeding grounds and back to their spawning areas. During the summer, they gorge on small crustaceans and fish, building up crucial fat reserves for the long winter and the energy-intensive spawning season ahead. These seasonal movements are vital, connecting different parts of the marine environment and ensuring the species' survival. An interesting fact is that Nordic mackerel, unlike some other fish, do not have a swim bladder. This unique adaptation allows them to make rapid vertical movements in the water column without having to adjust their buoyancy, which is a significant advantage when pursuing prey or evading predators. Their incredible speed and agility, combined with their schooling intelligence, make them highly efficient hunters and survivors in the challenging Nordic waters. So, the next time you hear about Nordic mackerel, remember this complex and resilient life cycle. It is a story of incredible adaptation, vast ocean migrations, and precise timing, highlighting the delicate balance of the marine world and the amazing life force of these remarkable fish in our northern seas.